Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and this is my dog Mia. Come along with us as we create our never-ending paradise. Hey guys, so it is travel day 1, the only day of travel, but I am going to my hotel. I will take you guys along with me. Also, my Disney nails. I don't know if you can see, but this nail has little Mickeys on it, and then little pixie dust and glitter and all that jazz. Yeah. I have to pack a couple more things this morning, put things into my car, get my dog's food ready. Right now, I'm kind of just, I don't need to check in to my hotel until 4 p.m. Takes me about an hour-ish to get there, so I'll be leaving this afternoon. In the meantime, I will definitely need to do my hair. I will take you guys along with me for my birthday Disney trip part 2. Hey everyone, we have officially made it to our hotel room for the entirety of our stay. It's really hard to see. I'm sorry about the lighting. There is not most amazing light right now. I have the window open and everything, but we're gonna do what we can. As you can see, there's 2 queen beds in the back. There's like a little vanity. The bathroom, I believe, is in this. Yeah, sorry, is on this side. Then you have like this whole front area. There's my dog. Whole front area where you have like a little sitting chair, blah, 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 blah. All that normal stuff. Over there you have a fridge, TV, some hooks to hang stuff, and yeah, nothing too insane. This one looks like she needs to go outside. Yes, baby. I will most likely be ordering in some of my favorite meal, Kobe's Japanese Steakhouse. I'm probably gonna order that in and just relax. Tomorrow is Anyway, Kobe's Japanese Steakhouse, which is usually what I always get, and then we'll kind of just go from there. Probably just gonna be relaxing for tonight because Disney is tomorrow. Alright, I am on to something. Woo! We got the 3 and the 0 up and blown up, and some of the other shaped balloons. There's a star and 2 hearts, and then now I have a bunch of other balloons that we are going to do. And right now, that is going to fall down, but that is okay. I did what I needed to. Happy birthday to me. Yep, see? Fell down. Got the dress over there. Probably put it on soon. Hey. Can't forget the the adult what the fuck is this called? Capri Sun. It's a Mai Tai. It is strong. By the way, I have Kobe's Japanese Steakhouse. It is so good. Noodles and shrimp and steak while I'm chilling with my dog. I put up decorations. They're over there and they're falling, but okay.